How to insert rows and columns in Excel. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I will guide you how you can insert rows and columns in Excel. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, open up your Excel sheet. After that, if you want to insert column, navigate to this column section at the top. So navigate at the very top that is labeled as A, B, C, D. Now you have to click on one of this cell right here at the top where you want to insert the column on. So right click at the top and here's an option as insert, click on it. There you go, now a column has been added as you can see here. Now to insert rows again, you have to navigate to this labeled rows right here at the very front. Click on it, right click on it, and if you click on insert, a row will be added as you can see here. So here if you click on here and click on insert, now you can see a row has been added. So that's it. That's how you can insert rows and columns in Excel. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.